This is the Syncronauts NFT. Owning one will give you access to the DAO, access to the community, access to the Discord. And there are 777 total. Real quick, this is what the artwork looks like. These dope little astronaut guys. Current price is 0.25 ETH. If we go to Ethereum, 0.25 ETH, about $800. The DAO is building decentralized DeFi and NFT products. The first product we're working on is an NFT marketplace. If we take a look at OpenSea's latest earnings, $3.3 billion last month, which is about $82.5 million in revenue. So even if we're able to capture a fraction of that, let's say $1 million a month, 1 million divided by 777 people, that's $1,287 that you could earn in just 1 month. And the price of this is $800. Also, these are really cool. The artwork is crazy. You can move this around and stuff right on OpenSea. So think about joining the Syncronauts DAO. It's kind of like a no-brainer to me, but do your own research. This is not financial advice.